Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck? You want to retire early and never have to worry about money again? What if I told you that you could effortlessly grow your savings from $100,000 to $1 million by the time you reach retirement age? It may sound like a pipe dream, but it's actually quite achievable with the right mindset and strategies. In this video, we will show you how to make this seemingly impossible feat a reality. We will discuss the importance of investing in yourself, setting financial goals, and following a simple 3-step plan that has helped countless individuals achieve financial success. By the end of this video, you will have a clear roadmap to follow, so you can start your journey towards becoming a millionaire. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover how you can effortlessly grow your wealth. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos. Now let's dive in. Right. Step 1. Invest in yourself. The first step to effortlessly growing your wealth is to invest in yourself. This may seem like a cliche, but it's the foundation upon which the entire process is built. To invest in yourself, you must first acquire knowledge. Knowledge is the most powerful tool available to you, and it can be used to improve your financial literacy, develop new skills, or enhance your understanding of a particular subject. You can invest in books, courses, seminars, or any other form of educational material that can help you grow personally and professionally. By investing in your knowledge, you equip yourself with the tools necessary to make informed decisions about your finances and to pursue new opportunities that can lead to greater wealth. But knowledge alone is not enough. You must also apply it to your life. Use the knowledge you acquire to improve your financial habits, develop new skills that can increase your earning potential, or make better use of your time and resources. This may require some effort and discipline, but the results will be well worth it. Finally, you must be willing to take risks. Taking calculated risks is essential for achieving financial success. With the knowledge and skills you have acquired, be bold enough to pursue new opportunities. Start a new business or invest in something that can potentially grow your wealth. By taking these steps and embracing a growth mindset, you can set yourself up for financial success and be on your way to growing your wealth effortlessly. Step 2. Set clear financial goals. Once you've invested in yourself and are ready to start growing your wealth, the next step is to set clear financial goals. Without a clear roadmap, it's easy to feel lost and directionless, which can lead to procrastination and inaction. Setting financial goals provides you with a sense of purpose and motivation. When you know exactly what you want to achieve, it's easier to stay focused and committed to your goals. By setting specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound goals, you create a clear roadmap for yourself and can track your progress along the way. Financial goals can include saving a certain amount of money, paying off debt, investing in property, or starting a business. Whatever your goals may be, make sure they are aligned with your values and long-term vision for your financial future. Achieving financial goals requires discipline and self-control. By setting clear goals, you create a structure that helps you stay accountable and motivated. It's important to regularly review and adjust your goals as needed. But try not to get sidetracked by short-term temptations or distractions that can derail your long-term plans. Remember, the journey towards financial success is a marathon, not a sprint. Step 3. Automate your savings and investments. The third step to effortlessly growing your wealth is to automate your savings and investments. Automation is key to making the process effortless. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings or investment accounts, you can ensure that you are consistently putting money aside without even thinking about it. This is an effective way to prevent lifestyle inflation and ensure that your savings and investments continue to grow over time. One way to automate your savings is by utilizing direct deposit when you receive your paycheck. By setting up automatic deposits into your savings or investment accounts, you can ensure that money is set aside before you have a chance to spend it. Another option is to use a robo-advisor. A robo-advisor is an online service that allows you to create a diversified investment portfolio based on your financial goals and risk tolerance. The platform automatically invests your money according to your preferences and rebalances your portfolio as needed. This is a great option for those who want to invest in the stock market, but do we have the time or knowledge to manage their own portfolio? You can start small by investing just $5 or $10 per week. As your income grows, you can increase your investment amount accordingly. It's important to choose investments that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Consider investing in a mix of assets such as stocks, bonds, and real estate to create a diversified portfolio. It's also important to regularly review your investments and make adjustments as needed. With the right investment strategy and automation in place, you can effortlessly grow your wealth over time and achieve your financial goals. Conclusion. Growing your wealth from $100,000 to $1 million may seem like a daunting task, but it is achievable with the right mindset and strategies. By investing in yourself, setting clear financial goals, and automating your savings and investments, you can pave the way for effortless wealth growth. Remember that the journey towards financial success requires patience, discipline, and a willingness to embrace change. Stay committed to your goals, continuously learn and adapt, and you will be well on your way to achieving your desired lifestyle. Do not forget to hit the like button if you found this video helpful, and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. If you want to learn more about personal finance and investing, check out our other videos. Thank you for watching, and best of luck on your journey towards financial success.